Wilton Hunt over here. Today I want to talk about the FAQ feature on your Google listing. And many of you don't even know there's a Q&A feature on your Google listing. And your potential customers are actually asking questions there and nobody ever responded to it. And let me show you what this is. Anytime you Google your own business, and on the right hand side is the knowledge panel. And this is controlled by your Google My Business, right? And as you scroll down a little bit, you will see the Q&A feature here. Anybody can come on here and ask a question. And the existing one, people can open this up and see what questions have been asked before. And of course, right, you gotta be responding to these, right? How to find a grave, right? Do Muslims also get buried here? You can answer these. So make sure you're responding to these. These could be potential customers, and these are potentially good questions that you can actually respond to. So that way, whenever others come on here, they're seeing the answers. And if some of these are not relevant at all, you can report it. You can flag it, and then Google will remove these. But better yet is you want to use this section as to your advantage. Since this is a Q&A FAQ section, if on your website you already know, or you already know what are the most frequently asked questions, typically on your website you should have that already. And that should be, right, for example, what hours may I come visit the gardens? Then on here you should ask it already, right? And you can do this on behalf of the cemetery or funeral home. You can already put what hours may I come visit the gardens, and you post this, and then you can be the one to respond to it, right? May I plant flowers? That's right. A lot of families have similar questions, so you put may I plant flowers, and you respond to it yourself, and that's totally fine. But within here now, many people will come in here and look at the FAQ. Okay, so this is potentially could also help you increase your conversions. So first of all, make sure to monitor your Q&A, your existing Q&A, and respond to those. If there's any spams, and I do see a lot of spams on there, flag it and get it removed, and pre-populate it with some of your most frequently asked questions there to help you convert into a sale.